Hello everyone. Today I am going to show in my dad's channel the things my dad makes with his talent. He's an amazing part of making items. My dad made this special cage for girls. For me it looks like a cute dollhouse, but it's a bird cage. You guys can see. And look, it's very easy to open. You don't need any lock or anything. You just open it and then when you will leave it and it fell down. Also, all of the doors are like that. It's beautiful, very beautiful. And I hope you guys will love my dad's channel. And one day I'll go live when my dad is working on, then you guys will trust me. Trust me, it's the thing that my dad makes. When people tell him to make something, he takes the order and make big unique things like this. And a lot of people love my dad because of this talent. He also have the, what is that? The C certificate of fishing. He's an expert in fishing. He loves fishing also. He do a lot of stuff. He loves building things. He can build apartments. He can make houses. He can do these metal crafts. And also a lot of things he does, like fishing, diving, so many things. So I hope you guys will sub my dad's channel and make him happy. Thank you.